Artlist.io.
Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding dog since I was in 5th grade. Run it up, pockets slow, I gotta get paid. Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise.
Music licensing reimagined.
5th grade. Run it up, pockets slow, I gotta get paid. Shawty looks so good, I'm amazed. But I can't let it get to my brain, cause I'm working every night, every day. I've been in the O, but you know I'm making waves. No, we not the same. I've been making guap, going move out to LA. Know that I'm a star, shawty tryna gaze. She say that she love me, I told her it's just a phase.
Artlist.io.
I said slow that down, hit the brakes. I said you know I could never stay. I've been coming up, I can't really be obeyed. I can't settle down, there's no quit up in my veins. Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding
Music licensing reimagined.
Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid. Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding dog since I was in 5th grade. Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid.
Money on my mind, money on a big plate. Double up, all that's on my mind is get paid. Pulling up on the shawty and I drip game. Baby girl, come ride with me and roll up while I switch. And we finna go to the store.
Artlist.io.
Good gas, this gold label. Put 2.5 in a fat wood. We blowing money, we throwing money. You big cap and just showing money. Going dummy, I got it on me. You want something, come take it from me. Yeah, that's what it be like. She wanna vibe, she wanna ride and be on the street. I know I'm gon' find my way. Far away from
Music licensing reimagined.
so I don't have no fear.
Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding dog since I was in 5th grade. Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid.
Artlist.io.
Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding dog since I was in 5th grade. Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid. Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise.
Music licensing reimagined.
5th grade. Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid. Shawty looks so good, I'm amazed. But I can't let it get to my brain, cause I'm working every night, every day. I've been in the O, but you know I'm making waves. No, we not the same. I've been making guap, going move out to LA. Know that I'm a star, shawty tryna gaze. She say that she love me, I told her it's just a phase.
Artlist.io.
I said slow that down, hit the brakes. I said you know I could never stay. I've been coming up, I can't really be obeyed. I can't settle down, there's no quit up in my veins. Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding
Music licensing reimagined.
Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid. Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding dog since I was in 5th grade. Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid.
Money on my mind, money on a big plate. Double up, all that's on my mind is get paid. Pulling up on the shawty and I drip game. Baby girl, come ride with me and roll up while I switch. And we finna go to the store.
Artlist.io.
Good gas, this gold label. Put 2.5 in a fat wood. We blowing money, we throwing money. You big cap and just showing money. Going dummy, I got it on me. You want something, come take it from me. Yeah, that's what it be like. She wanna vibe, she wanna ride and be on the street. I know I'm gon' find my way. Far away from
Music licensing reimagined.
so I don't have no fear.
Big way, pay my bills off a mixtape. I've been working hard, yeah, I need a big raise. I've been grinding dog since I was in 5th grade. Run it up, pocket slow, I gotta get paid.
Alright guys, so another day of painting. I just put the platinum, it's like a platinum color right here. So I got it for $30. As you can see, this normally I think it was like $180, but I got this on clearance. Nobody else didn't want it, so that's how you do it, guys. So basically I'm finna change this out. The one I bought had a dent in it, whatever, but so you're gonna replace that, return that back. And excuse the mess, I had to put like a skim coat right here, so I'm just letting that dry. But I go ahead and painted the rest of the kitchen, whatever, so I can basically just now start putting the cabinets on. So these are the cabinets. I don't know, I have a big mess, whatever, but it's gonna be changed soon. And then I'm gonna show y'all, go to the garage right quick. Got mess everywhere. Hey, this remodel, I got another $30 paint right there too as well. So yeah. So we still got a whole bunch of crap. So that's why I was cutting my tiles with. This is where I was painting the knobs. I painted gold. So you know what I mean. Y'all will see it soon. I got all this on clearance too as well. There's open bags. So that's how I was able to lay down my tiles. So you always gotta be a bargain shopper, whatever. So you know what I mean. Y'all see the results soon. Peace. All right, so we're putting the knobs back on. Got little James helping me, Solomon right here next to me, learning.
Malachi observing from the back.
He over there crying. Oh no.
He's trying to put it where you put it.
I'll tell you when to pass me one, alright? You gotta wait.
What's that? He said, what's that?
So we cleaned these because they were really, really dirty, which you'll see before this clip. After we cleaned them, we sprayed them. I think you sprayed it like 3-4 times.
Yeah.
So I'll put 2 coats of primer.
2 coats of primer and then 2 coats of paint. And then we got this nice pretty gold color. And James fancy, he wanted to do the screws. I said bump the screws. Ain't nobody gonna see that.
They will on the outside.
No.
But he says they will because he's a professional, so
Artlist
he knows what he's talking about. I don't. So he's just gonna put them back on so that we can put them back on the What's the matter? You wanna be in the camera too? He's so upset.
Music licensing reimagined.
Cause you know.
Hey.
All right, we gotta go.
Alright guys, so I just put the cabinets back on. Still got some work to do. Whatnot. It's looking a lot better. Just gotta finish painting that wall when it dries. It's done. But I just want to show y'all something. I'll try to get everything on sale. Y'all can see I even got these on sale. You know, for the cabinets, whatever to put in there so they don't slam. So like that, you're not gonna make that noise, whatever. So hey, look for the sales when you can. I just replace that. Whatever, put a stainless steel one on there. So alright, peace.
Music licensing reimagined.
Run it up.